This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Joseph Tomasco. What a beautiful home, well maintained, light-filled home with 6 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. You are greeted with a maintenance-free front porch that spans the entire width of the home. As you enter, the gleaming hardwood floors take you throughout both levels of this large home. The main level has the open concept living, dining and kitchen. Main level also has a huge bedroom which could be made into 2 rooms and a full bath. Upstairs is the primary suite with full bath and 4 additional bedrooms and another full bath. You will enjoy entertaining outside this summer in your in-ground, heated pool surrounded by ample patios. Additional features include whole house generator, white privacy fencing, thermal insulated windows, basement and solar panels. Access to major roads and NYC transportation. Highest and best buy sent by Tuesday, April 5th at 10 a.m. For more information, review